The charm of the non-profit sector has attracted many earlier. But what would it take for a business honcho, the CEO of a leading automobile brand, to call it quits and venture into a passion project to set up affordable healthcare facilities? Vinod K. Dasari might have the answers. After a stint of 2 years as the Chief Executive Officer of Royal Enfield, Dasari recently decided to step down and chase his passion, affordable healthcare and skill development. Before joining Royal Enfield, he was the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of another major automaker, Ashok Leyland, since 2011. He had joined Ashok Leyland in 2005 as the Chief Operating Officer. On August 4th, a new building of a 40-bed multi-specialty hospital in Nungambakkam in Chennai, under Vijay Ganga Specialty Care and owned by Dasari's family, was inaugurated. Dasari said the hospital would start operations within the next 15 days. Before his stint at Ashok Leyland, Dasari had held senior positions at Cummins India Limited, where he served as the president and went on to become a joint managing director. He joined Timken Company, a world leader in bearings and steel, after starting his career with General Electric in 1986. He served as the managing director of Timken India and as the president of its global railroad business in the USA thereafter. However, Dasari's legacy owes heavily to how Ashok Leyland transformed under his leadership. When the commercial vehicles business wasn't doing so well in the mid-2010s, a growth strategy crafted by Dasari helped the company claim leadership in the segment. More focus was laid on the light commercial vehicles and the intermediate commercial vehicle segments, which include pickup trucks, minivans, and three-wheelers. Under Dasari's leadership, Ashok Leyland also prepared a plan to monetize its digital initiative called Service Mandi, which is now valued at around Rs 500 to 1000 crores. Service Mandi is a digital mobile app-based platform for commercial vehicles, which helps trucks and buses locate the nearest local mechanic for breakdown, repair, or maintenance. With businesses growing, the share of medium and heavy commercial vehicles in Ashok Leyland's total output came down to 60% in 2019, compared with 80% a few years earlier. Through his career, Dasari has won several accolades. As for his new venture, Vijay Ganga Specialty Care was established by Dasari's wife Dr. Sarita in 2009. It had started as a small clinic in Mylapore in 2013. The couple is also planning to expand VGSC's Dialysis Technologist Training Academy, also known as Train for Life, to develop skills of students, nursing attendants, and current practicing dialysis technologists. When asked about the not-for-profit model, Dasari said that for those who cannot afford treatment, a trust will take care of the expenses. In an interview with Business Standard's Shine Jacob, Dasari had turned philosophical while talking about his decision to quit the corporate world for his non-profit venture.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.